Let's talk about the latest launched Honor Smartphone 200 Pro with elegant artistic streamline design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, with 6.78 inches Full HD Plus punch hole cutout display, resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels, approximately 90.8% screen-to-body ratio, 19.85 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 437 ppi pixel density, 4000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with HDR color quality support. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel H9000 sensor wide angle camera with support OIS optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel Sony IMX856 2.5x optical zoom telephoto camera with support OIS optical image stabilization, and with 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro camera. For selfies, it has dual camera setup on the front that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3 GHz single-core Cortex X4 plus 2.8 GHz quad-core Cortex A720 plus 2 GHz tri-core Cortex A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.2 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options moonshadow, white, velvet black, coral pink, sky blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 100 watt super fast charging, 66 watt super fast wireless charging, 5 watt reverse charging, reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP55 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor 200 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,799 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 4,499 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Honor 200 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.